And today's video is called How to Get 100,000 Story Pin Views. All right, so I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how you can get 1,000 views on your story pins on Pinterest. Now, if you're not familiar with Pinterest, the story pin feature is where you can upload stories to that are called pins specifically on Pinterest. And as you know, every social media platform, almost every social media platform has the stories feature. Okay, and so I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how I got 100,000 views on my story pins. Okay, so number 1, how to and DIY do-it-yourself topics. So how to and do-it-yourself topics are very popular for story pins. People love to learn how to do something or some type of information that they can go do it themselves. So those are very popular topics. So when you are creating your story pins, make sure you center it around how to and do it yourself topics according to your niche, okay, and or your industry. For example, if you are in the food industry, you will want to create how to and do it yourself story pins surrounded, for example, how to bake chocolate chip cookies, how to bake a red velvet cake. For example, people love recipes. Recipes are hot on Pinterest, okay? And number 2, creativity. So when you creating your story pins, creativity has to go into it too. So you're going to have to take some time and, brainstorm and envision how you want your pen to look. And of course, using your brand elements such as your logo, if you wish to, your fonts, your color palettes to go with the pen, because you want that to be consistent, okay? So, and you want your pens to stand out as well and be unique. Pinterest is a visual platform, and visuals are the first thing that people see. So you want your pens to be very creative, okay, and beautiful. All right. And number 3, design. So you have to put some effort into designing pens. You want to create unique pens on the regular. Pinterest loves uniqueness as they do creativity. So you have to be able to be good at designing. And if you don't think you're good at designing, there's graphic design tools such as Canva, Snapper, Trello, and a few others that are designed for the novice designer. So and I mean, even novice designers can create some beautiful pens. So don't worry if you're not able to design. And it takes practice as well, okay? Through continued practice to get your designs creative and unique, okay? And so that is it for how to get 100,000 views on your story pins. And it's very simple. And if you like this, please thumbs it up, share it out. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell symbol for alerts. And please drop a comment. Tell me what you think. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching.